In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear the cache for your Jotform account, and it will only take about 5 minutes. Cache is essentially temporary data that's stored to improve your experience by speeding up the loading of certain elements. However, sometimes it can cause issues if it becomes outdated or corrupt. By clearing your cache, you can ensure that everything is running smoothly and up to date. Let's start by heading over to jotform.com. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and use your credentials to log into your account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll land on the My Workspace page. Here, take a look to the upper right side of your screen where you will find your avatar or profile picture. Give it a click. This opens up a drop-down menu packed with options related to your account. Now, from the menu that appears, find and click on Settings. This action will take you straight to your settings page. The settings page is where you can manage various aspects of your account, but today we are focusing on form caches, so keep scrolling down until you spot the section labeled Form Caches. Once you locate the Form Caches section, you'll see a button on the right hand side that says Clear Cache. Simply go ahead and click this button. By doing this, you are instructing Jotform to remove the old stored data, essentially giving your forms a fresh slate to work from. This is a great way to resolve any issues related to forms not updating or not displaying correctly. After you've clicked the Clear Cache button, you should see a confirmation message indicating that all caches have been cleared. This message verifies that the process was successful and your form data is now up to date. It's as simple as that, and this action can often resolve minor issues you might encounter with your form displays. And that's it, you've just cleared your Jotform cache, ensuring that your forms load with the most current information. This process is quick, easy, and helps maintain a smooth user experience with your forms. It's a good practice to do this every so often, especially if you're making frequent changes to your forms or encountering issues with form performance. Thanks for following along today. By maintaining your cache, you're ensuring your Jotform experience remains glitch-free and efficient. If you have any other questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or explore the help articles on the Jotform website. Until next time, happy form building and have a great day.